Hello, my name is Hamad. I'm from Afghanistan. I have been here for the last 3 months. I have my experience in IT field back in my country in Afghanistan. I was working as a network engineer. So I came here for CCIE security. Network home, being in network home, it's a really good experience being here because you'll find the teacher really supportive and really helpful. So I selected networkers home because of its really good lab environment, and the lab is 24/7, and the teacher and the trainers in the lab are absolutely helpful, even if you have a tiny problem while doing your lab. So you can get help from them easily. So it is the environment, whole environment. Even you will find some separate places for studies that will be noiseless, and you can concentrate on your studies. Apart from the lab, there are some good cabins out there, and then workers' home. I wish I will complete my whole CISA security here, and after that, when I go back my home, so I'll be CISA certified as in security. Thank you so much.